Everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add Apple Cash to your wallet. Um, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it. So first, open your Apple Wallet app on your iPhone, and then tap on Apple Cash to get started. And tap the More button, looks like this one, and then tap Transfer to Bank on the right corner. This will be on the right corner to transfer to bank. All right. So you have two options like instant transfer to a debit card for a small fee, or you can uh, which can take 1 to 3 business days transfer to a bank for free. Enter the amount you want to transfer. For example, if you want to send $50, it should take 1 to 3 business days if you want to send it to a bank for free, or if you want instantly, it will charge you 1 to 3 or less amount. And then Uh, if you choose instant transfer, select Master or Visa debit card, and which is you need to pay a 1.5% fee of the transfer amount. So minimum 0.25, maximum $15. Uh, and if you haven't added one yet, tap Add Card to follow the steps to add a debit card on your wallet app. Then double click on the side button to confirm, then authenticate using your Face ID and Touch ID or passcode. Your money should transfer instantly to your debit card or within 1 to 3 business days to your bank. And also another thing is that if there are some limits, like you can transfer up to 10,000 per transfer or up to 20,000 within a 7-day period. And like, and if you have any more information you want to know, go to official Apple website. Here, I will put the link in the description and just follow the steps and you'll be on your way to transferring money. So this is a quick visualization. So click transfer, instant transfer, debit card, choose your card, and that's it.